Bunny. Tight turns. Why is my shifter doing that? Shit, I hope I can do something to it. One more. One more. One more behind me. Hard shifts, I shouldn't do that. Still hard to see. The light's really strange. But a lot of the obstacles I can't see very well, so I just get ready to go. Make sure I'm balanced. Just ride it. Nothing here is too terrible, hopefully. A lot of tight turns in this one, but I can do that with this bike. I am working though. I'd be working much higher without electric assist, but that allows me to go further, faster, and funner. But I still breathe, still get tired. Use a lot of upper body. Have to really focus on the trail. A lot of concentration. Even though this is intermediate, at a higher speed it becomes more difficult. Just on your left. Thank you. Thought I was going down there, but it didn't. Got ready. I'm running a little bit of a taller gear. I'm not going to get power, but it allows me to get more speed. This trail is a little faster than some of the more technical trails. But tight turns are challenging. Yeah, it's fun. Fun. I had to slow down a little much there. Around to the woods. Nice day today. There's more people on a Saturday. One, and another one behind him on your right. On your left, my right. They look confused. I was really committed to going my right of them. I don't know. I guess they weren't looking up. Whatever. These turns at speed, I have to really drop the bike into the turn pretty steep to make the turn. Where are we? I wasn't ready for that.